Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to assemble a Snickers cake. What I have here is I have my chocolate cake layers, I have caramel sauce, roughly chopped peanuts, and I have peanut butter buttercream, and I have caramel buttercream. Well, hello buddy. And to assemble, I gathered a cookie scoop, and then I have a big spatula, offset spatula, and a small one too. And I have a turning table here so that it will be easier to frost the cake. I have a cake board. Basically, I got a round cardboard and wrapped it in foil. And also, I have this little strips of parchment paper. Actually, this is the hamburger paper, but I am using this. This will be perfect because it's a small cake, and I put it on the board like so that it will be easier to remove it, and then the board will be nice and clean afterwards. The plan is to put a little bit frosting here and then first layer of chocolate cake. And as far as the buttercreams, you can actually use first layer caramel buttercream, the second layer peanut butter buttercream, or the mixture of the two. It's up to you. Or you can use just one, like peanut butter buttercream or caramel buttercream. It's up to you. I think the combination would make a richer experience. So just a little dollop here so that the cake stands, doesn't slide around on the board. There you go. Make sure it's nicely centered. And now we're going to spread. I'm going to use peanut butter buttercream. To evenly distribute the buttercream, I like to use the piping bag. Just makes it easier. And then we'll smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and even. And now we're going to put caramel sauce in the center, so that's why we need to create a border. And I'm going to use my caramel buttercream. Just do it around the edges here. And I'm going to use this cookie scoop to measure out. I think about 1/4 cup of caramel would be good. And then we'll sprinkle some peanut butter. And then we'll put the second layer of the cake and do the same thing with the next layers. So right now I'm working on crumb coating the cake. Just basically means we're going to coat it evenly and then put it in the fridge until it's solid, and then we'll do the next layer. Our goal is to just completely cover the cake with buttercream at this point, and then we'll do the decoration. It needs to hang out in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Into the fridge it goes. For decorating the cake, I'm going to use caramel buttercream with a star tip here, and I'm going to put the caramel buttercream into this piping bag. Here's a quick tip. Use a tall glass. Put the piping bag as so, and fill the bag We'll use the caramel buttercream for decorating the cake. For decorating the cake, I'm going to transfer the leftover caramel into this bottle with a tip like this. It's really convenient for like making the beautiful drips or any sauces and like that. And if you need to warm up the caramel sauce and transfer it into this bottle. So I also made this quick ganache, chocolate ganache for decoration, and I'm going to add it to the same bottle, similar bottle. It makes it really easy to drizzle. We're going to do the drip decoration on the cake. The cake has been chilling in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and the frosting is nice and hard now, and perfect time to go ahead and put the final layer of the frosting. What we'll do is we'll just go ahead and cover it with the buttercream first, and then we'll smooth out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to beautifully smooth it. So basically hold it at an angle and then turn the table. Oops. You can take the excess and wipe it on a different bowl. Pretty good, just have a few spots. Now we can remove this parchment paper. Okay, I'm going to drip the sauces, and quite honestly it makes me nervous every time. Before we do it on the cake, we should totally test it out in a bowl. Drizzle it to see how it's going to drip. It's pretty good. So now I'm going to do, I'm thinking a little bit drizzle of chocolate. So now I'm going to pipe the frosting. Going to put slices of Snickers bar. Now I'm thinking to drizzle the chocolate in the middle. Okay, there you go. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I added some chocolate chips.